Alright. Go ahead and open up. Say Galvin.
Alright, guys.
This one. I'm gonna open this one.
Oh, Kens, what you got?
Yeah, I got something.
Yeah, you got something?
I got something.
Oh.
It's a dog.
It's a dog? Nana, can you help her open the box?
Yeah. Just a second. What is it? Oh, it's got there.
Hey, what are you chewing on?
Oh, something she's not supposed to have.
Oh, he's cute.
Did you hear me?
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Is that another doggy blankie?
What you both do with that?
Hug it.
I thought we were going to put
You
it
got an
on.
elephant.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Stick it up on your head. There you go.
Alright, open your other stuff.
Hey, that doggy is for boys.
No, it's
Okay,
not.
for boys.
Mama, I said doggy, the doggy is for boys.
No, it just has a boy holding it.
You videoing?
Mm.
Hey, come here, sweetie.
Mom.
Come here a minute. Bring your thing here. That's it. Come here, I'm going to help you. Come here, I'm going to show you. Put it up on your head. Put the head up on your head and put it around you. Come here. Let's see.
There you go.
Come here, let
I
Granddaddy
think
help
these
you.
are puppets on your hand.
There you go. Good. Come here, let
These are
Granddaddy help you.
puppets.
Sadie, stay out of there.
Come here, let Granddaddy help you.
I think they're puppets, these.
Put it on their head.
Yeah, they're puppets on your hand.
Oh, a hand? There you go.
Yeah, it doesn't go on your head.
Oh. I thought it was good on your head.
Alright, let's finish opening up presents. Finish.
Buckle up. Buckle up, buckle up.
Oh.
Buckle up.
Uh-oh. We can throw your other blanket away, right? Can we throw that blanket away?
No. Go open more. Go open your other ones. See what else you got. Sadie, get out of there. Stop picking up stuff and eat it.
Alfred's my favorite.
She already ate 2 things of plastic. I don't even know what she ate last time, what it goes to. Open these. One of these.
This one.
Okay. What's in that box, Kenzie?
She's gonna need help.
Mama,
Let's see.
how to open mine.
Oh, here, look. Sit right there. Certified frustration free.
Packaging. Unless you put super strong tape on it.
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, you like it?
I like it so much.
Good.
And I like my outfit so much.
What did she get? Oh, you ain't got it over there. What did you get out of that other pack?
I don't know yet.
What is that? A guitar? What is
No, that's a
that?
microphone.
A microphone? Ooh. Gonna have a star here. Are you gonna be a star?
I got them some band equipment.
Mmm.
It's a microphone. It's a microphone.
A microphone?
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness, now you can have your own band. You had a drum and a... Ooh.
Who's gonna sing? Who's
You
gonna
can
play?
perform and... Oh my goodness.
Gotta open it up. Come here, let me open it.
Oh yes, give it to Granddaddy. He's got the knife.
Oops.
I didn't
Probably should be using a knife and not the
Little
scissors.
birdie bug is sitting there.
Is
Get
it?
back a little bit.
You like microphones?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Okay, let's see. Which end are we gonna load? This end? Okay, okay. Let's see.
All right, you see what's in there.
There, over there. Open it up.
Oh, look. Doc McStuffin stuff. An outfit for you.
What's that?
Yeah, you can dress up like Doc McStuffin.
What's, oops, something. I better watch out here. I'm pulling on the thing. It might not should be pulling on. There's the directions how to use it. Ooh, let's take, what's that? What's that?
It's a plug.
Looks like a microphone to me. Is that what it is?
It's a plug.
Oh.
It's a microphone.
Getting it out of here is a miracle. What's that?
That's where the microphones work.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you do it.
As long as you know what it is. Oh, what's that?
And that's where the microphone where it holds.
Oh, yeah? Let's see
There's
what
your-
we got here.
There's your
Let me put it
stethoscope.
together for you? Okay.
You just put it there.
Okay. Yeah. Oh. There we go.
We
Get
got
this
a
thing
name
out here.
tag, and look,
We get this
it's
thing
Doc
out here like
McStuffin's
this.
shirt.
And then we stick this thing in here like this. Right? Is that why we do it?
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Okay, okay. And then we, let's see. Oh, there we go.
That makes it higher so I can.
Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah. And then we got a cord here. Ooh, okay, the cord's low on this.
Doc McStuffin's
Yeah,
shirt.
what you
and
got? I
Doc
bet we got some
McStuffin's
batteries in
belt.
this thing too. You got some batteries in this too.
Oh, we have to find some more batteries.
Mm. Let's see.
Put
Let's see.
your arm in the hole.
I got they grouped it up here. They tied it up good.
Like this.
Anyway, pull it down your sleeves here.
What's that? There we go. Alright, we've got something going. I think. We've got something going, hot something. Yeah, look at that. We got it.
Thinking about jumping.
We got it.
Yeah, we got it.
There.
Let's see. Let's see. We getting close.
Yeah.
We getting close. Okay. There you go. Then we run the cord down here. Whoa, wait a minute now. How's that work? Hey, hey.
Plug it into the base.
Oh, is it called? That probably plugs in somewhere else, doesn't it?
I don't know. Give me a place to plug it over. Huh?
Hey, Micah, come finish unwrapping.
Huh? Yeah, but you plug
Shot
that
it
in,
one
if you plug
time.
that in there. I guess that's good. I don't know what